Hey everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, Wago stands for when you get old. Alright, I don't know why I threw this in here. It's really heavy. So I'm super excited and also wondering why I made this purchase. Just because I own so many products, but I could not resist. This here is a limited edition Allure beauty box. I want to say best of Allure. I don't know. Something will be on screen at some point during this video. A couple times a year, Allure the magazine, and they also have a monthly beauty subscription, which I unbox on my channel. They will put together a special editor's edition box. This, I want to say, costs $99. But one of my lovely subscribers used my friend code to sign up for the Allure subscription. And using that code gives me a $10 code to use in their shop. And luckily, that $10 discount code worked on this box. So for me, this was an $89 box, which also helped me rationalize the purchase because I'm like, hey, I'm getting $10 off. But the value is supposedly over $300. So between the $10 discount, the $300 plus value, and the one full-size bougie product that's in here, I decided I needed this in my life. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what came in this box. I'm pretty certain this is going to be heavy on the skincare. There's probably going to be some hair care products, and I would be surprised if there's any makeup in here, but I'm fine. Going in, I knew this would be very skincare heavy. Okay, yay. So there's a little card letting me know that this is the limited edition Reader's Choice Award winner box, and it has a value of $341. That's even more than $300. I, as always, will be tallying the products that I receive and the MSRP value. We will see if it's actually $341. Okay, my eye just caught actually a second product which sold me, which I needed in my life and almost picked up in the Sephora sale, but I didn't. That is this product here from Paulas Choice. This is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I've used this before. I've had it in empties. It is spectacular. You should be, if you aren't already, exfoliating, which just means you slough off the dead skin cells, which will help make your skin look more radiant, healthy, and just youthful. But I'm super excited, and this is full size. Alright, this product here I have received before but never used. It's a hair care product. This is from BRIOGEO, and it's the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. The size I got before was like a little tiny travel or sample. This also doesn't seem like it's full size, but maybe it is. But this seems more deluxe sample or definitely travel size. It's 2 fluid ounces, but what do I know? I am not into the hair care. All right, next item. For a tiny box, it has a little weight to it. What is this? So this is the OUTSET, which is a serum, a prep serum. Wait, what? So primer? What's a prep serum? Okay, it's tiny, but it's heavy because it's actually glass, and it's a beautiful frosted glass. I have a feeling I'm going to need my little friend for this video here. So this is a firming vegan collagen prep serum. Alright, so this is just 10 ml, a sample, firm, plump, after cleansing and prepping with a small amount of cream. This is just a moisturizer. Alright, not the worst product. It could have been more hair care. What do we have here? So this is Lid Glow Cream Shadow. Oh, okay, so we did get some makeup. Who's this from? BEAUTYCOUNTER. 5 milliliters, which for a liquid cream product, that's kind of a lot. Ooh, it's not a shade that's really in my wheelhouse. Unless, are you matte? No, I think it's shimmery. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's pretty dark, but I don't know. Maybe. I don't reach for cream shadows very often. That's the only comment I have. All right, what else came in this box? Okay, here is the Rockstar Bougie product that caught my eye, And this, along with the Paulas Choice, why I picked up this box. Look at what we have. This is a full-size Tatcha the water cream. It's 50 milliliters. The box is even taped or has stickers, so give me a second. Whew, that was harder than you would think. Look how pretty. It's blue in the inside, and why is there so many little nickety necks you gotta pry up? Finally, it slid out. Ta-da! That is a beautiful seafoam green, and this bow on top has a little spoon that holds the spoon. This is just plastic, but this is so that you don't have to put your grimy little hands inside the product. And there you go. Doesn't really have a scent, which I'm fine with. Now I own a super bougie, full-sized, the water cream from Tatcha. Alright, next we have probably the least bougie product. This here is a brush from, I don't know, it's the Wet Brush Original Detangler. Is Wet Brush the brand? I'm not sure. Even though I do have short hair, every blue moon I will use a brush. So I'm actually not mad at this product. Would I buy one on my own? No. Am I happy to receive one in a box? Yes, I am. Alright, whatever this next product is, it weighs a ton. And this box is huge. What is this? Alright, so it's a Kale plus green tea, spinach, vitamins, Superfood Cleanser. Okay, I thought the packaging looked familiar. This is from Youth to the People. And I want to say they are green, so I should probably use this pretty soon before it goes bad. Oh, I see. Okay, so it comes with a little dispenser. And, oh, interesting. It's kind of a yellow, clear-ish, I guess, amber type color. And it has a pump. Okay, that's nice. I'm not sure why it doesn't ship just with the pump in, but maybe to prevent it from spilling. That would make sense. Alright, next product we have something from Dove. This here is the Dove Body Scrub, and it's in the scent Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk. I have tried this product before in a different scent. I want to say this is like a sample or travel size, not full size. It was nice. It was the type of body scrub that I would recommend if you use it. Make sure you just rub it in your hands really well, because a lot of the little beads or the grits that were actually black in color, they just landed on my shower floor and were hard to wash off. I mean, they would wash off, but not easily. You had to sit there and kind of take your shower head and kind of aim it to get them to go down the drain. But it felt nice on my skin. My only complaint was how messy my shower ended up being. Alright, this next product. Yes, I thought, like, is that Charlotte Tilbury? Heck yeah. So this box, as you can tell, it's like a mix of low-end, I don't want to say low-end, of super bougie high-end products. Tatcha, hello. Mid-tier, Paulas Choice, and then drugstore-ish like Dove. So this here is the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in the classic shade Pillow Talk. I think I already own this, so I'm not going to open it up for now. Who knows? No promises, but maybe if I hit 2,000 subscribers, this might be in the giveaway. So feel free to click that like button and hit subscribe. All right, this next product, a lot of you who are into hair care products probably going to love. This is from Olaplex, and it's number 4, which is a Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Oh, yay. Okay. Shampoos I will use. Deep conditioning masks or anything that's got to sit on your hair for lengthy periods of time, or meant when to use when you blow dry your hair. Yeah. But a shampoo I can get into. All right, this next product I've actually tried before, and I want to say in this exact same scent. So this is from Bath and Body Works. This is their hand gel sanitizer in the scent Champagne Toast. This smells spectacular, and I love the size of these. It's great to toss in your purse, or even just a little teeny zip up wallet, or if you're just running to the store or out for a bite to eat. Even though we're post pandemic, I love having these because I always tend to get something sticky or nasty on my hands, and I love having something to clean them off with. All right, a few more products to go. This here, ooh, look, we do have another makeup item. This here is from Urban Decay, and it's the 24x7 Glide On Eye Pencil. You know how I love trying eye pencils. I want to say, do I already own this? Possibly. My collection is behemoth, but I don't remember using this or liking this. Maybe I don't, because if I really like something, I will remember. The mediocre products or something I've only tried once, I will totally forget about. So yay, I'm excited to give this a try. Why do boxes do this? So we got a single set of under eye, what do you call these? Gel patches. This is from Wander Beauty, and these are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I guess, well, it's not a subscription box, so what am I thinking? Why we'd get a box of 5? But yes, so we get to try some eye masks. And we're ending the box with another really nice product and brand. So this here is from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I have received this before, I want to say in Ipsy, but this is gorgeous packaging and a really nice serum. So I'm not mad at getting a product I've used and tried before. So that's it. What are your thoughts? Can you see now why I got excited? I would argue that of these products, I didn't count, like 3 alone paid for the box. So the box, if it was full size, was what, $99? I want to say the Glow Recipe, that this is like $40-ish. I don't even want to speculate how much this Tatcha costs. At least 70, probably more. And I want to say the Paulas Choice, this is maybe 30-ish. Regardless, these 3 products alone are over $100. That I know for sure. I'm going to list the total MSRP value of the box. And let's see how close, with me looking up everything on the internet, it comes to the $341 value that they claim. Even if it's less, I really don't care, because I got some really nice products. I actually got a couple of makeup products. I forgot to mention the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, I want to say is $38-ish. So yeah, well over $100 value for sure. So let me know what you think of this box. I'm not sure if it's still available. I'm going to assume it's sold out, but hopefully not if you're interested. I highly recommend signing up for the Allure Beauty subscription. It's only $25 a month. And actually, if you sign up and pay for 3-month increments, 6 months, or 12 months at a time, the price drops even more. Last month's box, we got a Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzer and a Grande Lash eye serum. Those were 2 of the 6 products. So it's definitely worth $25. So if you are interested, in my description box, I do have a refer a friend code, which will give you $10 off, and I also get $10 off. If you don't want to use my code, I totally get it, but use somebody's code so you can save yourself some money. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.